At Georgia Pacific, we make products people often use without thinking, but depend on every day. From household essentials to packaging that powers businesses, to the materials that help build our communities. We make them responsibly. We make them with pride. And we manufacture them right here in the U.S. For nearly a century, we've been committed to safe, innovative, and efficient production. Forward-looking stewardship of forests, air, water, and biodiversity, the protection of endangered areas, and investing in the people and places where we live and work. More than an employer, we are a partner and a neighbor. The safety and well-being of our employees and communities where we operate are our highest priorities, from strengthening local economies through job creation to ensuring the sustainable management of natural resources, including healthy forests for future generations. Driven in purpose, ready for tomorrow.